Hello children, let's start the class with a thought of great scientist Thomas Edison. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. That means don't stop taking efforts for whatever work you are doing so that you become successful in that work. Now let's see the first lesson of our book. The name of the lesson is Prarthana. In front of the word Pradhana, you can see two words are written Kevalam Kanthasti Karnartham, which means that this Prarthana is only for recitation in our syllabus. Prarthana means prayer. Prayer makes our mind calm, gives us positive energy, increases our confidence. Before we start any kind of work, we start it with the prayer. Therefore, our every class will also start with the prayer, prarthana. In this prayer, 4 verses are given. Though these verses are for recitation, you should understand the meaning of these verses. First, I will say all the verses, then every verse will be explained. The verses are like this. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा नमामि शारदां देवीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीं विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः संस्कृतं ये प्रशंसन्ति संस्कृतिं स्वदेशं ये च शंसन्ति धन्यं जीवन्ति ते नरः. Now like this, you have to say the prayer at your home so that you can learn the verses easily. Now first we will see the first verse. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. The first verse is about Lord Ganesha. Vakratunda. Vakra means curved. Tunda means mouth or trunk. Mahakaya. Mahakaya means having huge body. Surya Koti Samaprabha. Surya means sun. Koti. Surya Koti means millions of suns. Samaprabha. Sama means similar and Prabha. Prabha means luster. Nirvignam. Vignam. Vignam means obstacles. Nirvignam kuru. That means remove all the obstacles. Me. Me means my. Deva. Deva means O God. Sarvakaryeshu. Sarvakaryeshu means in all kind of work. Sarvada means always. Now we will see the meaning of this verse. The verse says, O Lord Ganesha, who has curved trunk, huge body, who has the power of millions of suns, always remove all the obstacles of all my activities. Now the second verse is Namami Sharadam Devim Veena Pustakadharinim Vidyarambham Karishyami Prasanna Bhava Sarvada. Namami. Namami means I offer my respect or salute. Sharadam Devim means to goddess Saraswati. Here to means to means to the goddess Saraswati or goddess Sharada. Veena Pustaka Dharinim. Veena means the instrument Veena, the musical instrument. Pustaka means book. Dharinim means having. Veena Pustaka Dharinim means having Veena and book. Vidyarambham. Vidya means knowledge and Arambham means start. Karishyami means will do. Arambham Karishyami means will start. Prasanna means be always happy or be always pleased. Bhava means be. Sarvada means always. Now we will see the meaning. I offer my respect or I salute to Goddess Saraswati who has a book and veena in her hands. I will start getting knowledge or learning. Be always delighted or happy on me. So these are the two verses. Children, you have to write, you will write this prarthana, all four verses in your copy and you will decorate it properly. Thank you.